The time is the most important thing in money life. Money life cycle, the time is the most important. I told right. Okay. So 10 lakhs, if I invested for 100 years, just assume 10 lakhs I invested for 100 years, 12% returns. How much I'm going to get? 8,352 crores. Okay. Just if you invest 10 lakhs for 100 years, 8,352 crores you are going to get just with the 12% interest. Okay. Assume instead of 100 years, if I can do 1 year, just only one more year, do you know how much money we are going to get? 9,354 crores you are going to get. Array, 1 year, if you can start 1 year early, just instead of starting today, if I start 1 year early, 1,000 crores is the difference, man. 1,000 crores is the difference. If I start 2 years early, you know, 10,477 crores, 2,000 odd, 2,000 crores is the difference. If I start only two days early. 2 years early. If I start 10 years early, instead of 100 years, 110 years if you are going to invest, its value is 25,940 crores you are going to get instead of 8,300 crores. In the money cycle, in money life cycle, time is the most important thing. That's why money related decisions don't delay. If you are delay your savings, if you delay your investment, over a period of time, there is a bigger loss by default will be there, dosto. A person who started 10 years before, the person who started 1 year before, 5 years before, 2 years before, over a period of time, huge difference by default will be there. How much amount you are saving, how much returns you are getting, these two things are not important. Okay, only one thing is important. How much time, how much tenure, how much time. That time is the most important.